Hello, 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 and welcome. Yeah, I had on the C part, but I don't want to get striked. So, hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to go into Michael's. Yes, we are going to go into Michael's. I haven't been in Michael's this year. So we're going to go into Michael's to see what Michael's have to offer us. Yes. So guys, come along with me as we do a walkthrough in Michael's. So guys, I will see you guys inside. Yep. Hello and welcome to Beautiful Creations.
She could tear us apart when she kissed your lips. Oh, what a plot twist. 'Cause now you adore me, adore me.
Okay guys, I am on and out. They have these beautiful outdoor lights, guys. Look guys, they're different colors. They even have it that they have that wooden tone colors. Guys, these will be perfect for your patio, or it would be perfect for if you have the outdoor gazebo. Beautiful guys. They have them all, and they are 60% off, guys. Yes, they have the lights that you can decorate your space outside. And also guys, look at these beautiful candles. They have like all of the pillows. They even have like the little stool, the little bench stool. Guys, this look like Hawaiian theme. Look how beautiful this is. Guys, they even have these colors in your beautiful candles. Look guys, you cannot beat that. Beautiful to decorate your outdoor space. They have this beautiful candles, guys. Yes, and these items are 60% off. Yes, 60% off, guys. You cannot beat this. This would be beautiful for your summer pleasure. And also I went to the aisle and I seen these different kinds of planters, or well, not planters, but the bouquet kind of flowers. And then I went to pick up some bowls, look at bowls and stuff over there. Guys, they have a beautiful selection of florals. Their florals are so beautiful, guys. And also I noticed that in here they have more floral stems than Hobby Lobby, guys. So you need to go in to your local Michael's and pick up some of this beautiful items of stems. And guys, look at this. Now this is the safari look. This safari look is so cute. Yes, this is another item that you can decorate your space to make it so cozy and safari and so warm. Here, look. If you haven't gone to the islands, guys, you can make your islands right at your home. And I wouldn't pick up this this book is like a box, a decorative box. But guys, Michael has a beautiful selection to decorate your outdoor space. And remember I said, like, these are 60% off, guys. Look, these are so cute. Very cute to make your space so beautiful, guys. They have a ton of stems in Michael's. So guys, I'm not gonna linger on. Just enjoy this video of me showing you these beautiful stems. And we are shopping what? On a budget. Look at these beautiful stems, guys. Just enjoy that, guys. Sit back and watch these beautiful items. 60% off. Keep that in your mind. Talk to you at the end. Okay guys, I am back and you can see that they have beautiful things inside of Michael's that if you want to get started on your patio, get everything beautiful on your patio, the lights and all, guys, they got them on sale. Some of them are 60 and 50. So guys, you may want to shop your local Michael's and see what they have to offer in your city or state. Yes, they have some nice things in there. And they're putting out more more stuff. They're doing shipment now. And one thing I can say is their florals are beautiful. And also, guys, they have more florals than Hobby Lobby. And a lot of their summer florals also, like the spring florals. Me change that. The spring florals are on sale. So you probably want to go there and check them out. Yes, guys. So yeah, Michael's have a good selection of, if you want to go out and start decorating your patio, your front porch, that's your go-to spot. Yes. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content. And remember, guys, I always told you guys that I will be giving you beautiful selection things, and we are shopping on a budget. Yes, guys. So look at also the video I post from Hobby Lobby. They had some great deals in there, but you also want to come into Michael's. Until next time, guys, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.